What's up, guys? This is Mr. T Baby. I'm coming at you guys with another unboxing video today. And today we got a little special one. Actually, because it's actually a gift that I received from my work as a 5-year anniversary gift. Okay? It is a high-performance Bluetooth Boombox. It looks pretty dope if you ask me. It's got 4 speakers, 2 in the front, and you got 1 on each side. And it comes with an FM radio, so there's a couple of stuff that it comes with. What we got here? We got dual subwoofers, FM radio, aux in, USB port, LED lights, and it's a rechargeable battery. And it looks like it's gonna last for about 10 hours of battery life, it says. That's what it claims. Look at the package real quick. Got some more specifications right here. Okay, so let's break into it and see what we get inside. Make it trendy, we look sexy. Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing. I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy. That's what it looks like. Okay, this looks like an aux cord and a USB cable. Okay. Here's the boombox itself, comes right out. Ooh, that's a hit. Nothing else in the box. Little phone things out. This is actually pretty nice. All right. Okay. Let's get a good look at the speaker.
Radio as the first quote unquote.
They're that good.
Let's see if we can get some audio going here. Give me a second. Oh, okay. So it looks like this is a button for the lights. Hold them down. Turn the lights on. Turn the lights off. Okay. Okay, guys. So I got it all connected. It actually popped up as IBB520. Okay. Got it connected to Bluetooth. Let's turn the lights on. All right, let's see how this sounds. You got pause, play right here. Okay. Let's see how loud it gets. Okay, so I'm not gonna play too much for because of copyrights and stuff, but it sounds pretty good, and that's playing off a phone, Bluetooth. So, and you can put a mic in there if you want to have a little karaoke session. It's got a DC in. I'm assuming this is where you charge it, and then you got an aux in if you wanted to play it with the aux cable. But yeah, that was just a quick little look at it. Probably use it at some backyard barbecues. Yeah, looks pretty good. Alright guys, I want to test out, see how good the bass is on this. It's got a little sample here. Yeah, sounds good. Alright, that sounded good. Alright, see y'all in the next one.